Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So silver is not doing anything unusual here. This is all still in the current environment, in the current wave count possible. What we're doing here, no change basically to the previous video. With the silver price, we basically were able to capture all these target areas here after we broke above the descending trend line. The wave 3 target range was reached, the wave 4 target range was reached. And here you can see actually the difference between gold and silver. Yes, they are correlated, but you can see that silver actually is much more volatile than gold. The gold chart, I mean, I also captured and was able to capture those target areas for wave 3 and 4, but it only touched them. Silver actually went into them, and partially even maxed them out. We then moved up in a wave 5, and I couldn't even produce a new video so fast. We moved them down, obviously, so quickly. And now I believe we are still in the wave 4. In the previous video, it looked like the wave 4 was already done. We were starting to move up, but we failed to break above the previous wave 5 high. So what we're doing here is that wave 4, that I assumed in the last video could have been finished here already, probably wasn't finished. And we have now come back to the ideal retracement area for a wave 4. See, it's not doing anything unusual. A wave 4 here in white can stretch out all the way up down to the 50% FIB level. So it could theoretically even come down to $19.50. We have only just reached the ideal retracement level, which is here at the 38.2% FIB level at 1984. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to highlight here the area where we expect the reversal between which Fibonacci levels, and then from here we would expect the move up in a wave 5. That we have already finished, and I need to say that, so this is the primary expectation, that we moved up here in a 3, came down in a 4, moved up in a 5. That completed the wave 3 in white. We're now coming down in a wave 4 in white, and I would expect primarily that we are still going to see the wave 5 in white up there. That should take us above $21.18. If I look at the gold chart, I'm actually expecting now the move down. So here we can max this out a little bit more. Is it possible that this wave 5 was already over here? We have to have that on the radar, that this was already the 5th wave. It would be a very short one, but it's possible. I have to say, unfortunately, it's possible. But primary expectation is this one here. Now, if we go below 1953, and that would take us below the 50% FIB level, which makes it then very unlikely this is still a wave 4, then I think that we have already seen here the wave 1, that this impulse was already complete up here at around 2087. But again, I don't think so, not at the moment. But again, if we drop below the 1953 level, we have to assume that. And in that case then, we would have to also adjust the wave targets here for the larger wave 2 correction. It wouldn't change a lot, to be honest. We would then, you can see that they are actually overlapping. We would then look at the reversal here in the area between 1950 and 1871. So it could then, obviously, if we go below the 50% FIB level, it could then go all the way down to 1871, maybe even, that shocked me now as well. That was outside. So that could even go down to 1871, maybe even to 1844. So it's a bit unclear at the moment, the situation here. Primarily, I would expect that the wave 5 isn't finished, would expect one more push here to the upside, but I cannot rule out that we might already do the wave 2 correction here, but then I would use this area as accumulation phase, because then we can assume that the wave 3 is next, which should take us way above $21, $22. So that would be another interesting area. And I think in the next few days, we will probably have a bit more clarity, and then I can guide you a little bit better based on the latest developments. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.